like a woman or a SC or ST candidate related scheme, that is a Stand Up India for financing SC and ST and or a woman kind of a entrepreneurs, that is a that kind of a scheme is there. Now, when we are talking about this kind of a scheme, yes, the advantage is there. If you are a woman entrepreneur, you are getting this advantage, or if you are from a background of SC or ST, then probably you will get this benefit. And what that benefit is here is like a Stand Up India scheme. It is giving you it facilitates a bank loans between 10 lakh to 1 crore, and that kind of a facilitation is there, that this range is there, that bank loan means generally for getting a bank loan you have to follow certain procedures and all that thing. But yes, if through this scheme, that is a SIDBI is supporting this thing, if you are approaching to the bank through this scheme, probably you will get the range like a 10 lakhs to 1 crore, and that will be comparatively easy processing, and you can get that loan. And maybe the enterprise, whatever they are categorizing, that enterprise may be manufacturing, it may be a service, or it may be a trading sector. And means if that kind of category is there, probably you are eligible for this kind of a support from the government to get the bank loan. In case of a non-individual